All right, you box breakers and pack rippers, we're back here again live on the Box Breakers. We're at Joe's Card Shop, Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles, 24th Street in Osborne. Check them out on Facebook. Stop in and see them. You might even see us. Give them a call if you have any questions about grading your sports cards, getting your autographs certified, or any of your non-sports stuff. They've got a huge collection of Pokemon, Magic, and Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and it's all organized like you wouldn't believe. People come in here and just rave about the way everything's organized. So a lot of that is Abe and a lot of that is Joe, and they really know their stuff here. They get stuff for cheap and they sell it for cheap as well. So anyway, stop by and see them. Special thanks to Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles letting us film here live. So we got some packs here. We just took a shot on these. Nothing special about any of these, but you know, we got Terminator Salvation, Harry Potter, Star Trek, Stargate Heroes, Spider-Man Heroes, and Star Trek. So just wanted to rip some crazy packs for you all and give you something else to look at other than the sports and non-sports. Well, I guess this is all non-sports, but anyway, let's see how we do here. Not expecting a whole lot out of these, just want to rip some random packs for fun. I have no idea what these are going to look like or what the inserts are or anything like that. So, oh, this guy's pretty scary. This is Terminator Salvation. I guess all these are Terminator Salvation. I have no idea. This may have been a mistake. Oh, I didn't know Batman was in Terminator Salvation. Check him out. Alright, I don't know what the insert cards there or what we would have been looking for, but I didn't see anything shiny or numbered or anything, so that's okay. Like I said, we're not really expecting anything. We just wanted to do a quick pack rip for you here on the Box Breakers. Alright, this one's Harry Potter. These are a little more shiny, look a little cooler. Oh, there's something in there. I don't know if it'll be if it's a hit or what it is. There's Ron Weasley. Minerva McGonagall, I don't know, it's about like a Pokemon name. Vincent Crabbe. I think I remember him from the one time I tried to watch Harry Potter. He was kind of a bratty kid. He looks bratty anyway. Alright, what's this next hit? Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Is this an insert card? What is this? I have no idea what this is. I think it might just be an advertisement. I don't know. It's numbered 1. I'm not really sure. We'll have to look that up. We'll set that off to the side. Alright, then we got some sideways cards. There's Harry Potter arriving at the Leaky Garden, or Leaky Calderon. I don't know what that is. The invisibility cloak. Don't we all wish we had an invisibility cloak? What would you do? Put in the comment section, what would you do with an invisibility cloak? Joe, what would you do? If you had an invisibility cloak, Joe, where would you go? What would you do with an invisibility cloak?
I don't know.
I bet he knows. He doesn't want to share on camera. I guarantee he's thought about it before. Oh man, I'm not going to share where I would go or what I would do either. Alright, I would go and open this next pack of Star Trek. That's what I would do with my invisibility cloak. I think there are some hits that might be possible out of these. I just don't really know what they are. I like the cards that are shiny. I don't like these newer cards when they do the throwback stuff. Fearsome Foursome. Never heard of him. There's Concerned Scotty. Scotty, beam me up. Dodge City Doctor. There's another Doctor. Doctor. Deadly Force. That looks like Kirk. Young Captain Kirk right there. And then another young Captain Kirk getting seduced. Okay. Alright, not much to that pack. Let's see what we got here. What is this? This is Stargate Heroes. Okay. I don't know who this is. Imagnagan Jackson, Inquisition. There's Dex. He's a big time star right now. He's in all sorts of stuff. Aquaman, or what is he? Forget who he is. But he's that one might be all right. And then Carter, not sure. All right, next we have Spider-Man Archives Trading Cards. Let's see if we can get a hit. See what we get. Went with the unconventional opening on this one. Alright, well that one's cool already. I don't know what it is, but you can see Spider-Man Archive. So you see Wolverine there. That might be Black Panther, Poison, or what, I forget what his name is. Anyway, that one's really cool. Alright, here's the Spider-Man card that's like it's kind of like bubbled up, kind of foily, something or other. That might be an insert card right there. It's an E3, so I don't know what that means, but there's something fancy about that one. Looks like a bad guy. Who's that? Is that Wolverine? I can't quite tell. And then this guy playing chess. No, it's not Wolverine, but who's this guy? Kingpin. Okay. Those are pretty cool. So that's an insert card, whatever it is. Spider-Man insert card. E3. Oh, too bad. Looks like the corner's just barely messed up on that one. That's too bad. Not that we were going to send it in to get graded, but check that out. Alright, we'll do the Star Trek one next. Okay, these are shiny Star Trek cards. The other Star Trek were not as shiny. Okay. Are these all stuck together? What's up with this? Is this one card? I think this is one card. Is that possible? I don't want to damage it, but I'm pretty sure this is one card because it's got Dr. McCoy on the front and then it's got him on the back. I think this is one card. Huh. That's pretty crazy. I really don't want to damage it, but it's kind of sticky. It's like the sides are sticky. It's weird. Alright, well, check it out anyway. It's pretty cool. I really don't know what that's all about. It's kind of like, I don't know, whatever. Alright, last pack. Let's see what we get on Heroes. Oh, this guy. I know him. He's on Hawaii 5-0. Check that out. Oh, it's a shirt. So we got a relic hit. Check that out. Nice. Hiro Nakamura. Congratulations. This card contains an authentic piece of Hiro's costume material worn by Hiro Nakamura in the episode Close to You. I've never watched the show, but that's pretty cool. And then these two guys. So we'll put that in a sleeve right away. Let's get that in the sleeve right now. We're going to pre-cut this so it slides in there a little bit easier. Yeah. Check that out. And we'll even put it in a top loader right away. The top loader is a little bit too big. We'll have to switch that out actually. We'll switch that out later. And then this one, I really don't know what's up with this one. This is the weirdest card I think I've ever seen. Because it doesn't go straight down. It like comes down at an angle. It's like sticky, like you can feel the glue. Anyway, how do you think we did there? We got a couple hits. We got the Spider-Man hit. We got Dr. McCoy. Check that out. We may use Spider-Man as our thumbnail. Super cool. Yeah. Right on. And then we got the Heroes. So those are our hits. How do you think we did? Anyway, next we will be doing, I think we're going to do the Prestige in the Donruss. We might get another box of Gold Label. We just did this high-tech box. If you haven't seen that, go back and check that one out. That one's cool. $130 box. Earlier we did the what was it? The Heritage? I don't know. We did one that cost $70 and you get 7 cards. That was pretty crazy. We've done our third Topps Gold Label. Anyway, check out our other videos if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell, the like, subscribe button, and as always, big special thank you to Joe and Abe here at Arizona Trading Cards and Collectibles. Stop in and see them. Hit them up on Facebook, especially if you're a non-sports fan. They really got you covered on Pokemon, Magic, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Dragon Ball too. But we'll be opening some Dragon Ball at some point in the future. Alright, thanks guys. We'll see you next time here on the Box Breakers. Out.